Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Cruze window regulator. First, gather your tools, like a trim removal tool and a 10mm socket. Safety is key, so disconnect your car's battery. Then, gently remove the inner door panel. This step reveals the window regulator and motor assembly, preparing you for the next stages of the repair. Now, let's get that old regulator out. Carefully detach the window glass from its clips on the regulator. You might need to hold the window up with tape. Next, unplug the electrical connector from the motor. Finally, unscrew the 3 bolts that secure the entire regulator assembly to the door frame. With the old one out, it's time for the new regulator. Carefully position the new assembly into the door and secure it with the 3 bolts. Reconnect the electrical plug to the new motor. Then, carefully attach the window glass to the new regulator clips, ensuring it's seated properly for smooth operation. Almost done. Carefully reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Once the panel is back on, reconnect your vehicle's battery terminal. Finally, test the window's up and down function several times to confirm smooth and proper operation. Enjoy your working window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.